This is the breath-based practice for Phase 3, Victorious Breath, in yoga called Ujjayi. Kneel, sit in Hero's Pose or Easy Pose, and feel a long spine through the crown of the head. Inhale comfortably, and exhale while slightly constricting the back of the throat as if fogging a mirror with your breath. Sustain the slight constriction while inhaling and exhaling. This breath should sound like ocean waves ebbing and flowing on the shore and should only be audible to you. Sustain victorious breath throughout your yoga practice as an inward point of concentration, if desired. Alternatively, feel victorious breath whenever you want to sit and tune inward on the breath, when you feel energetically scattered throughout the day. Release victorious breath and return to natural breathing for daily life. Victorious breath can calm anxiety, increase oxygen flow in the blood, and gently heat the body from within. As you explore victorious breath, it's important to keep it audible only for you. If someone 2 feet away from you can hear you, then you may be pushing too hard. Again, inhale comfortably. Exhale while slightly constricting the back of the throat as if fogging a mirror with your breath. And then once you feel that, sustain the slight constriction while inhaling and exhaling. It should sound like the ocean waves.